Hello, everybody, and welcome to our today's AMA session. As some of you already know, we are doing this live discussions about current situation in the investment space, where crypto seems to be a very interesting opportunity, and we are gradually developing the awareness around it, and we try to include views from other experts. That's why on the opening session we invited Katja Dami. She's a gold and silver expert, so she presented some of the views that made us realize how strategies for entering investments in crypto space should be different from the ones that are meant for gold and silver investments. As well, my co-host, my dear friend Bertram, presented his views on from experiences from his Forex professional career. And so welcome, Bertram.
Thank you, and welcome everybody.
My companion. Yes, it's, I would say, to do a little sum up from previous sessions, right? We said that one thing is sure, the crypto is volatile, very volatile. Even more than Forex, and especially much more than gold, which is gradually gaining value if you compare it to any fiat currency, for example. But anyway, we discovered as well that crypto still has a lot of potential on the long run. The mass adoption that is happening, not just on the retail sector, but lately as well on the institutional sector, is showing us that if everybody will want to have at least a piece of Bitcoin someday, the price will have to go up, because we are limited to 21 million Bitcoin, and more than a million of them are already lost. So this is for the future. However, we have to stay on the ground, and we know we have to be liquid. That's why we can't just count on, you know, putting money in and wait for years that the price will go up. For example, that happened with Bitcoin, who reached $20,000 value in the end of 2017, and it needed almost exactly 3 years to reach again the $20,000 mark, and yet it did surpass it. No, a little less. I think a little less, right? A little less than 3 years. So it surpassed it, I think, in November 2020, December, somewhere. Doesn't matter. We're through, and we are enjoying the Bitcoin over 40,000, but it's slowly coming back down. And if it's not yet 40,000, looks like soon it's gonna hit that support. At least this is what traders and investors are talking about lately. However, this is not the topic for today. Maybe yes, in the question section. For today, we prepared something as an addition to yesterday's session. So first, let's introduce ourselves. I am a rookie trader, so to say, investor, still learning good practices on our last session, I got a really good lesson from Bertram about stop loss and take profit. You can see the recording. And however, on the other side, I have 20+ year experience in software development, 10+ in startup innovative business models, and last 6 years I'm in crypto. So I have pretty much clear idea what crypto is all about and where it's heading. However, trading and investments is a completely separate field that we all need to learn about. Bertram, please do the introduction for yourself as well.
Yeah, I mean, trading is a funny fish. Yeah, so it doesn't matter if you trade currencies. I mean, there has been times in foreign exchange as well, which were completely crazy. The mid-90s with the European monetary crisis, where I was actually running one of the biggest books in Italian lira globally. Mm-hmm. That was madness as well. Yeah, you had volatility as well of 10-15% on a day or more. But crypto, of course, it's very new. There's very little liquidity, and we are in a phase at the moment where you always have these spikes because there's some real investors, what I call them, that actually are entering the market. But what is very interesting to see that a lot of people are following exactly the same chart patterns. Yeah, they're going on moving averages and this and that. I mean, if you look, take Bitcoin or whatever, and look at the chart over the last only 2 months, you will see that the techniques are the same. Yeah, everybody's using the same techniques. Why do these lines work? Because everybody's watching them and everybody's trading them. If nobody would care, the line wouldn't exist, right? So, no, but it's very interesting what we are seeing. And at the moment, I think the last 3-4 days have shown again that normally high volatility leads to a large movement, a really large movement. So let's see if it's going to be the correction down from 58,000 to 40, or if it's just playing around the 50 here and all of a sudden one morning we wake up and it's 70. Yeah. So this is not really decided yet. Personally, I think it will be maybe a little try on the downside, but rather the upside, because I think the real investors, the holders, are really entering the market. I mean, if somebody is changing his part of his balance sheet from dollars to Bitcoin, he's not going to sell them again tomorrow. They're gone. Yeah, they're somewhere on the side, so they're missing in the market liquidity. So for me, it's clearly the upside. The question is, how much volatility will we see before? And it's not impossible to see another 20% down before we do another spike of 30, 40, 50% up. Interesting times.
Okay. So let me get this straight. First of all, Bertram has 30+ years experiences in professional waters of Forex. So these terms are completely clear to you. However, to me, I'm not so sure. So first, this is, dear guys, this is a little unplanned dialogue right now, okay? But I would like to dig deeper, because I think it's very valuable. So you said technical analysis, you touched those lines, right? This is, you refer to technical analysis. So if I understand correctly, you said that those lines are true, I mean, do mean something, because everybody is looking at them.
Exactly.
So that means I know, for example, many are doing automated trading bots, okay, or are watching indicators and then decide upon what they see, okay. And whereas trading bots, they can do trades the same way as a human being, according to what indicators are showing, okay. So if you know how to do technical analysis, and tell me if I'm right, then you can calculate what everybody is doing that is using technical analysis. Is that correct?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. So
Okay.
the question is, how much do you trust these lines? Yeah. So let's say you have a 30-day moving average, you have a 60-day moving average. This is normally the red and the green and the purple line that is flying around.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see it's touching one line on the way up. It doesn't go. That means the next try will be on the line down again. So some people say, okay, as soon as they touch the line, they're opening the position.
Okay.
And then they see. If it goes through, they're right. If it goes back, that's why you have very short stop loss. Okay, it didn't break on the upside, so I go out straight away because the risk is too high that it will go all the way down. Yeah.
Okay, so and this is now liquidity we are talking about, right?
Yes.
So you said as soon as they see this line, ladies and gentlemen, we will go more into deeper dive to the technical analysis on some of our later expert sessions. But today we're just trying to see the concepts, and which is something I'm lacking in general. You know, everybody is talking about these lines, but nobody is telling me this, exactly what you just said. Yeah. So if they see those lines cross, then they enter the positions. There we go with the liquidity, because if somebody is holding the Bitcoin, even if he's holding them on the exchange, they don't touch. I mean, that doesn't concern the liquidity itself. The liquidity itself, this is where it happens. When certain things occur, either it is from news, either it is from technical analysis, then people start positioning their, I shouldn't say bets, but trades, orders, so to speak. And that is why it's important that we are checking. Now I'm moving one step further, the order book. So not just the what's the price, but we need to see the order book. What are people doing regarding the?
But you can even see, when you look at the order book, you can even see, as the closer you come to a line, the more there's a kind of struggle, a kind of fight around the line going on every time it's going to a line. Because some are trying to push it through and some are trying to project the line. You have extreme turnover around the lines always. If you leave a line and go towards another line, you will see there's hardly any liquidity in between. That's why it goes so fast. Sometimes Bitcoin is dropping $700-800 in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Because it left the line, boom, and is going towards the other line.
And it kicks all the stop losses and all the margin traders and everything, right?
What we saw 2-3 days ago, where you had Bitcoin going down all the way to, I don't know, 42.5, and Polkadot going down to 28. This is when you squeeze the market out. You really squeeze them out.
Okay.
And half an hour later, everything is like nothing happened. It's just back up.
Yeah, this is where we see that the market has a lot of buying power right now. Is that correct?
Absolutely, but I mean, for everybody, if you trade the lines or don't, just look at them. Look at them. This is the one thing, and then, of course, tech analysis we do another time. I'm not a super expert, but I know some basics.
We have an expert coming. It's not confirmed finally yet, but we will announce.
That's going to be great.
Yes, some interesting people are joining soon, in a couple of days. So stay tuned, everybody.
So anyway, I entered the trade yesterday with a very tight stop loss.
when you said so when they do this, when they reach those lines, you can enter the trades as well, but with a very
tight
stop loss. And ladies and gentlemen, I will be showing you the picture from yesterday, what happened. Let me find it. So as you remember, yesterday at 7 o'clock, Bertram entered the position. And here we go. Unfortunately, the market turned down. I hope you can all see this.
Yeah.
So where the little B is, this was the buy, and this is where the sell happened. If you remember, Bertram said yesterday, and this is the lesson that I was taught, it's better to have tight stop losses. And it turns out that I would be doing 3% loss. So if I would be doing like I used to do, and Bertram had only 1% of the loss. Okay, he didn't win this time, but this is really important, you know, to set stop loss the right way. This is really important. Okay, so this time we didn't have so much luck. Today we will do at the end of our session as well one trade, and we will see how it's gonna roll. However, Bertram, today I would like to add some more flash to our decision why we will do it. Okay?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Maybe we will check some news. Maybe I don't know. Now, for today, we said that we will be showing connectivity between CoinMarketAlert and Palma. Yes. But when we were testing it today with some final tests, there were some discrepancies, and we need technical team to check it over. Okay, so we will do it tomorrow, very probably. Okay, if everything will be okay, but we just didn't want
to. I'm sure it will. I mean, we were migrating the front end and the back end a couple of days ago, so we didn't finish all the testing. We wanted to go live again, and there is a small problem.
Yeah, so everybody now, the CoinMarketAlert platform is on the new architecture, on the new platform to be faster and even more ready. However, as you all know, with such big upgrades and migrations especially, you know, things sometimes don't work out 100%, which is very normal. In computer science, what I was taught, so I was studying computer science, nothing never works 100%, period. Okay, that's why you have, for example, when systems are showing that they are very stable, you have, for example, 99.99% uptime. Okay, that means sometimes it happens, and it happened. It happened today.
No, yes, and the other thing is when you're into software business and providing applications, you need to launch at 88-89%, because it's the only way to find the last bugs with the help of the users. If you try to reach 99% before you launch, you will never launch. So that's the other side to the medal, actually, when you do software.
Of course. Yeah. Okay, so I was thinking on a replacement for today's presentation, and yesterday we had some nice suggestions on some coins. So dear audience, today I would like to ask you, what coins do you prefer? What do you think is a coin that is worth, I wouldn't say investing into, but start watching. So everything you want to do, you first need to start watching, then you decide on your own if it's worth investing. So please, everybody, on the bottom of your screen you will find chat. You can as well, if you want to say something, please put in the chat, write to us. Question, we have one question from Jeffrey. We will get to it right now. Just let me finish. So please, guys and girls as well, if you want to suggest a coin, please put it in the chat. And while we are waiting, I already have one coin in my mind, but we will get to this later. Let's go jump now first to the question.
Who wrote pancake?
Mr. Jeffrey. So, Mr. Jeffrey,
Yes.
thank you for your feedback. And there goes the question for you, Bertram.
Yes.
How do you make sure you don't miss a breakout if your stop loss is very tight?
Okay. No. So yesterday we said we enter one position, and I protected it with a stop loss of 1% and with I put a take profit of 3%. How I normally would do it is that you enter a position, you have a stop loss. I mean, we entered a long position yesterday. So you have a stop loss that is 1% below. And then you have another stop entry if you actually break through the point. So you enter into a new position if you should get stopped out. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not sure I understood that.
Okay. So let's say we're buying Bitcoin now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I put a stop loss of 1% because we are very close to a breaking point.
Ah, okay.
So I'm long.
Yeah.
So either it's going to break out.
Okay.
In that case, I'm fine, I'm long. Or it's going to have a dip, I'm stopped out. But what I normally do is when I'm stopped out on that level, as I don't go in with 100% of my money, I give it another try, but not below the line, but above the line. So if then the breakout really happened, then I can still enter the market.
I see.
And enter into the movement that's already happened. The risk is that you have very high slippage then, because when you first threw the point and the market decided you broke the line, market is moving very, very fast. Yeah. So, but that's always the risk. Huh?
That's always the risk. So, if I understood you correctly, let me elaborate. You are saying that you want to have your tight stop loss in case the price falls down, but then you wouldn't buy the coin when it's falling, but you would wait to start climbing, and if it reaches higher levels than where you actually dropped out, you don't mind jumping over 1% or 2%, because you know it will go up more than the breakout.
Because then I'm more sure that we're actually entering a new trend.
New breakout. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. I understand now.
Okay.
Hope everybody else understands. Okay, got it. Jeffrey understands as well.
Thanks.
Great. Nice. Very nice. Okay, let's see. We have quite some suggestions about the coins. There we go. Pancake from Jeffrey. Cake.
It's going banana, this thing. Yeah? Everybody's buying pancake like crazy. Yeah?
Really?
Yeah. It rose a lot over the last days and weeks.
Okay. I will immediately set up a diff signal in Palma. If you want, I can show it to you how I do this. Maybe.
Katja is my friend. Polkadot. I love Polkadot.
Yeah. I'm all about Polkadot as well. Don't worry. I mean, I know a guy that is working there. He was there very in early phase. But you know how it is. I never listen to people that tell me to buy something. But if I would have listened to it, then so we have a cake, right?
Yes.
Cake. Is it on Binance? Sure, it is. I love to watch it on USDT market because this is my base, and euros. Okay. There we go. I set up the diff signal. So let's see what's the price now. Ooh, we have quite a substantial drop.
Yeah, but it's the whole market at the moment, huh?
But it's the whole market at the moment. Yeah, I saw. Okay, okay. So this is 24 hours. This is today. Okay. So we are seeing some corrections today on the market. That is definite. Okay. We have okay, in February. This is 1 week chart now. Yeah, yeah. A usual drop happened as well, like with others, but okay.
If you look at the Bitcoin chart now, yeah.
So this is the monthly chart. Yeah, it's I would say we have a very good price to buy. Maybe we will enter this position, huh? What do you say, Bertram? But
On this level,
yeah,
with a very tight stop loss, I tell you, if it's going through, it's going to drop like a stone.
It's dropping. So
we always had a joke in wintertime, the traders. So we always said, snow is falling, sell snow.
Okay.
No,
okay.
but it's very, also if you look at the Bitcoin charts now, for example, a trading view chart where you have moving averages, you can see again, we are exactly at a point where the two moving averages is crossed. This is why we're having such a massacre for the last couple of hours, just around these points. Yeah? Jumps up $500, goes down $400, because they're fighting for this chart point, technically. Yeah. It's madness.
Yeah. Madness. So you're saying that traders are fighting for a better position. Is that what you're saying?
No, somebody says, okay, we're going to break up. The other one says we're going to break down.
Okay.
Yeah. And I mean, if you look at it, it's machines. You can see it's machines. Nobody can trade that fast.
Okay.
So it's actually the trading strategies that are the robots that are driving like, and because it goes down $200, they sell. It goes up $200 again because they have super tight stop losses, right? So that's why you see this crazy movements all the time until there's a real order coming in, boom, and that decides where the market's going to go. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so people elaboration from a let's say ordinary language. We have robots. On one side, we have robots that are calculating this technical analysis, and there are some indicators that just at this point they crossed each other. Okay, those indicators, and because of this happened, one army of trading robots is counting on the indicator that is showing the uptrend, and the other army of robots is calculating and counting on the indicator that is showing the downtrend. So I think I don't have to say anything else, right? So yeah. Half of the robots are trying to pull up, half of the robots are trying to pull down. So okay, so what do you suggest in such cases that a usual investor does, trader that wants to enter position as much better as possible? Wait. I would wait. I would wait for the
absolutely
for the war to end, and then
let them kill each other, and then when the picture is clear, try to enter the market in the way it moves. Yeah. Because this is massacre. It's $400 back and forth. Yeah.
Yeah. Many times spotted. Many times. Cool. Okay. Unfortunately, Jeffrey, the cake. I mean, we can surely check some news maybe for the cake right now, but I don't think that would add any value. But I promise you that I will look at it, and tomorrow I will write it down. Tomorrow I will talk more about it from a fundamental perspective, because I want to know about it more as well. And one reason why I want to know about it is not because Jeffrey suggested it, but because the price is falling for the whole month. So it looks to me like a kind of a sell-off. and if the fundament is strong, and if they're coming up with some new, I don't know, upgrade, we might be seeing some hard uptrend very soon.
Yeah.
A possibility, not an investment advice. Okay. So cool, Jeffrey. Thank you for this one. Icon, Katya, thank you, and hello, and welcome. So, Icon, you know Icon? Have you heard about it? I see it.
I actually don't know it.
You don't know it. This is, I know it very well. Okay, we have one guy, one professor at the, I think he's from computer university. He's following this Icon since the very beginning. So since 2017, when they had the ICO. It's a Korean coin, and this is it's a competitor to Ethereum. Okay. But the difference, so they can run DeFi on it. They can run other coins. They have several protocols running on it, and
so but it's a blockchain.
It's a blockchain.
It's a blockchain. Okay.
Yeah, like Ethereum.
Okay.
But why they are so special and why they caught my attention was because, you know, Ethereum is in its own world. They don't care about institutions. They don't care about the traditional financial markets. They are there. They're building their own ecosystem, their own world. Okay. This is now slowly starting to change, but on the other side,
because it's starting to hurt them.
Yeah, because it's starting to hurt them, of course. But on the other side, Icon, they are from the very start. They are collaborating with their government. They're collaborating with financial institutions, with medical institutions, and they are practically enabling the whole country, the Korea, which is a crypto bit and blockchain country since the beginning. They are enabling it to really do specific and big steps towards blockchainization, if I may say so. Okay.
Okay.
So that is why it's really strong. It had a significant drop a couple of weeks ago, but before that, it went up for I don't know, 100, 200%. I forgot because I mixed a little bit the data, but really went up more than Bitcoin and
but when you say that a lot of banks and the government and this and that, are they then providing centralized blockchain solutions, or is it actually public blockchain?
No, it's so now this is a part that I don't know specifically. Okay, but it's a good question. I will put it down and I will go again through their white paper. It's been quite some time since I did that for the last time.
Yeah.
But if I remember correctly, yes. Because if we're talking about institutions, you're right, this is a good point, people. When we're talking about institutions, they cannot show everything on the public blockchain. And this is a big concern, and this is why public blockchains were not adopted by institutions yet. And this is why IBM did their own blockchain that enables how they say it, user rights, to say it in a simplified word. Okay, so you can say which user can access what. Okay, whereas in Ethereum, in Bitcoin, you all know we can access everything. And but yeah, this is something that is now bringing new values. KYC is becoming stronger. If we add KYC to DeFi, for example, then we might be having decentralized banks. Okay, so more about this on some of our later sessions.
Yeah, sure.
I will check the Icon. Polkadot, we already talked about staking, DeFi, Ethereum based, and God knows what else they're coming up with. But the major thing now is that you can stake coins and become their miner, because they have a proof of stake. So miners are actually those that stake coins, and they currently have, with the support of some other solutions that are the source of their DeFi protocols. How much, Bertram? 15%, right?
Yes.
This is yearly, okay?
Yearly 15%.
Yearly 15%, and yeah, this is better than traditional investment funds, which they have in average 10% per year. Is that correct?
Yeah, if
it depends. Yeah. Okay. So Polkadot, definitely great. What's the potential of NPXS coin? This is from Kelechi. Thank you for this. I don't know this coin, unfortunately. Bertram, maybe you know it.
Which one?
NPXS.
Very interesting. Actually, don't know.
Let's check. I don't know it.
Yeah, have a look.
Let's see if we have it on Palma. And let's see what's going on with the price. So we said NPXS. Did I put that right?
I think so, yeah.
Opa. So NPXS. Of course we do have him. So let's say USDT is usually the best one on Binance. Let's see what's with the price. The price differences, there are quite substantial, 2 to 3% arbitrage opportunities as well. So it's falling, but this is the drop that happened today, so it's nothing unusual. All right,
I think
we have some spikes. Roderick?
Yes, I think this project is called Pundi, I think. And they're working with point of sale systems. So point of sale systems as interactive with their token.
All right.
So I think that's the main concept from a high level overview.
Okay, so you're saying they're putting on blockchains those devices through which you can pay with several credit cards or something. Is that correct?
Exactly? Yeah,
awesome.
Make it easy for transacting and retail stores and things like this.
Okay.
So I think you know, a coin like this depends on probably their traction, and you know how soon they, you know, how many retailers are starting to use, you know, their point of sale systems and so forth. But they've been out for a while, I believe.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. I'm checking. So this is weekly graph, and I'm looking now for the monthly. All right. This is the.
I was thinking we're not that many people. Should we unmute everybody so we can have a discussion?
Sure. So look at this coin. It's really did nice spikes. So it went up for 150% altogether in less than a month, in 3 weeks. So it's yeah, looking really good. Post-system background and this is really good. Thank you for this one, for sharing.
Is this an African project?
I don't know. I will now let everybody to unmute themselves. Olga. So
okay.
Everybody join the discussion. So Kelechi, if you know more about NPXS, we are eager to hear more. Please. So if you want, you can join and say some more information if you have them. I will definitely write it down and check it out till tomorrow.
Well, I know they raised 35 million on the ICO in 2018, I think.
Super.
It's from India.
We have one. It's Binance's answer competition to Uniswap in the DeFi space based on BNB rather than Ethereum. but this is probably not on the MPSX, right? Jeffrey, you were talking about icon maybe? Or cake probably. Indian project is MPXS. Flow, Daper Labs, okay, this is another one. And yeah, we saw some nice coin suggestions. And my question is now, Bertram and Roderick, do we have any of these coins within your exclusive alerts?
I guess you have all of them.
Every one of them. Everyone, definitely.
So
everyone.
I suggest, which one I would like you to show us how we can set up alert, as exclusive alert for, I don't know, I'm very much interested in this cake, definitely.
Bertram, are you on the computer? I'm on my phone.
Yeah, I'm on the computer. 1 second.
Okay.
Just need to figure out to share my screen here. Need to have the right setup. Wait.
You have everything, I think, so it shouldn't be a problem.
All right. So, so I just need to see which one. It's this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So here you have CoinMarketAlert. So you go to alerts, or I can go to the dashboard actually. So the dashboard is where you arrive as soon as you
sign in, right?
As you sign in, yeah. Mm-hmm. Very important to say this. These alerts are for free, yeah. So they don't cost anything. We give them for free to the community. And then let's put a frequency alert, maybe.
No. I want exclusive price, exclusive news alert. You have?
Ah, you want the news alert?
Yeah. If you have,
okay.
If you have some of these coins in the
Bertram, go to go to latest news, or where's it at? Crypto breaking news.
Yeah.
And see if Pundi is there.
And it was what was it called? NX?
NPXS. No.
NPXS, no results for. What's it called? Pundi?
No, we don't have them, so they don't have any updates.
No.
Give me a Ripple. Do you have Ripple?
What's going on here?
XRP probably.
Yeah, probably.
XRP.
Are they working on this thing?
Yeah, they could be working on it. Yeah.
Okay. They're trying to fix the Palmatrix.
They go to
fixing the connectivity. Yeah.
Click it again, Bertram.
People, some
all projects. Okay. From what's the go to from?
Let me see if I can. No.
How about
below you have the from? So everybody
news from
the
connectivity
that
they're working on it at the moment apparently.
Yeah, it's we spotted some inconsistencies today, so the guys are
no, but I just want to see, it might be the news, huh? So let me see if I can find it here. So what do we say?
NXPS.
No, searching, can't find it. Just want to see if this, yeah. So it's working. Yeah? Probably there was no news. That's why we couldn't get anything. But here the Ripple you get.
NPXS. Jeffrey, thank you.
Did we put it wrong?
Yeah, I said it wrong too. NPXS.
Yeah, but there's still nothing.
No. Okay.
So it's not there. But I mean, if I take, for example, so the others are coming. So apparently there is no feed. All right. Okay. Alerts, we take another day.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So today is not the day for the alerts.
No, we're working still. So
yeah, but that's okay. As we said, it's hard.
It's the migration.
Especially,
I mean, we got 30,000 clients using it every day. So
yeah.
They will not be happy.
Yeah, I mean,
But
it's
things
always
happen.
like this with migrations.
Yeah.
You never know. So
Yeah, it's IT. So
okay, cool. So we've gone through some interesting coins. We've checked what happened on the previous, so to say, session. So the yesterday's AMA, when Bertram entered Bitcoin position, but predicted that it might go down, and that's why he set up a tight stop loss of 1%, and he was right. That's why only 1% of the loss was there, whereas if I would be doing it, I would have 3% loss. And today, now it's time. We have 10 more minutes approximately. So let's do one trade decision for today.
okay, maybe you want to do Bitcoin again or
no?
No,
I wanna do. I mean, we can do Bitcoin. Let's check Bitcoin. Let's check what's going on with Bitcoin, and then we'll
it's
decide.
super tricky, super tricky level.
A situation right now.
Yeah, because it's exactly at the point where the two lines, the two moving averages cross. Huh? So it's a lotto.
It's a lotto.
Yes.
Okay. But do you think we should then maybe switch to some other currency?
Yeah, we can have a look at DOT or I don't know.
But are you using TradingView to check this? Where is the BTC? Here it is.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter where you go. It's all TradingView everywhere.
It's everywhere TradingView. That's correct. Even we have it in our trading dashboard. Yeah. Okay, so Dodge now. Jernej is coming back. DOT. Okay, let's see.
Let's have a look at DOT. Yeah.
This is DOT now.
Yeah.
If I go to check to daily, so my maybe I present a little bit of my strategy. What usually I do.
Yeah, but when you take the decision today.
Maybe, yeah. I mean, what I do is so. In this case, for example, we can see that we are at this support at a little bit lower than 35.5, right? So according to my experiences, I would enter here the DOT position with a tight stop loss of 1% and take profit of, or I don't know, maybe I would go even with 2% stop loss and take profit. If it bounces back up, it should go to, I don't know, at least 3% up, if not 4%.
Yeah.
What do you think? So
I think in Palmabot you have the possibility to say you want to enter at a certain price, right? Or a certain percentage deviation from the price now.
Yeah. I can say if the price goes down a little bit more, or I can say trail stop buy whenever it starts going up for at least 1%, then buy. Those are the possibilities that I have.
Yeah.
What if we say, "Oh, this might be good. I will do the trail stop buy when it goes, if it goes up for 2%.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Because it's very, very tricky level everywhere at the moment. I mean, Bitcoin is 47,600 something. Dots coming down from, where was it today? Nearly 38, I think. So, and now it's just going down. Boom.
Let's say for 5,000. So if it will keep,
I would put an order to buy at 33.80. There I would buy.
You would buy at 33.80.
Yes.
I can put in both of them.
Yeah.
So I will say if it swings for 1.5% up, then I'm buying. Okay. And for you, I will just create, so buy bot USDT as well for 5,000 USDTs. Yeah. And you set at which level?
33.80.
33.8. And you want me to do any stop loss and take
stop loss at 31.50.
31.50. Trailing? No.
No. No take profit.
No take profit.
No.
Okay, cool.
Nobody's dying of profit.
Cool, fair enough. But here I need to put some number, okay? So I can put, I don't know, 100%, for example. So it will sell if it goes up for 100%.
Okay.
Okay, so we're all set.
Let's see.
Let me see if we have some questions maybe. So the trades are set. We're gonna check them the next time, so tomorrow.
Oh, somebody asked, is it okay to short Bitcoin? For that, I only have a general answer. Never short Bitcoin.
Okay.
That is super dangerous. Dangerous. Jeffrey's laughing, huh? No, you don't short Bitcoin.
But doesn't that depend on what your personal preference is for when you want to exit?
Yeah, but we're talking about shorting, not taking profit, huh? Actually going short, betting against Bitcoin, I don't think it's a good idea.
Fair enough.
It can hurt a lot.
So everybody, what is shorting? Let me explain you with my simple words. That means that you lend Bitcoin, right, from somebody. You take Bitcoin and sell it because you think that the price will go down and you will be able to buy it for less and give it back to him and keep the profit, right?
Yeah, you're betting on a lower price.
You're betting on a lower price with different words. Hello, there is a question I see.
Hello,
Chica. Hello.
Hey,
we don't hear you. Do you have maybe? I don't hear you.
Yeah. You're not.
Are you muted? Maybe.
No, he's not muted, but I think he's not enabled his audio.
Ah, you don't have the audio, maybe. No earplugs? No? Maybe you write a message. You don't hear us. Ah, okay. He doesn't hear us. But that means that maybe you don't have the loudspeakers turned on or something.
I think his audio is not set yet.
Yeah, your audio is not working because everybody else can hear me probably quite well. At least Jeffrey is responding, and Katya is responding as well. So yeah, people can hear us. I'm sorry, man. Please, hope you can set your equipment right for the next time. But if there is one, yeah, but you don't hear. Okay, where were we? Finishing for today. We've set up the stop losses. We set up the trades. We're gonna check tomorrow what's happening. And tomorrow, yeah, we're gonna finish the connectivity tests, and hopefully we can bring you the live experience on setting up alert. And yeah,
we will work hard on that to be able to show you tomorrow. Yes.
By the way, I'm myself have the Ripple news alert, and I can tell you that it's working really well together with Palma. But more about this tomorrow.
Hopefully.
For 17th, we have a expert confirmation for 17th of March. This is Wednesday. Eleonore Blanc is joining us. She's mostly she's active in Bitcoin Cash community, and she went through all the forks of Bitcoin. So she has this personal experience on what does the fork mean, and I will try to add to this from a technical perspective. Bertram, maybe you from traditional world with splits. So on 17th, this is in 14 days from today, from tomorrow. But anyway, on 17th, yeah, one expert confirmed and more to come. So anybody, maybe some more questions? Before we go, we have some questions. So no shorting on Bitcoin. So if you Lydia continues after being set not short Bitcoin, she says, if you're buying at 32,000, why not short while it goes down? Bertram.
Bitcoin is nothing you short. It's just like that. If you're a day trader, of course. But at point one, you're trading futures, right? Because in cash market, you can't short. So either you're in binary options or you're in futures.
Yeah.
I don't think it's the market to do that, because of course you can. I mean, it's up to everybody. I would never do it.
Of course, but you would never do it. I mean,
you can do it, but you have to be extremely careful.
Yeah.
You know, the thing is, when you are long, the maximum you can lose is what you put in, right? If I buy for $30,000 and Bitcoin goes to zero, I lose $30,000. If I short at $30,000 and I wake up next morning and it's at $150,000, I have a problem. Yeah.
Okay. So there is no limit when it goes up. That's the problem, right?
Of course.
Okay. I got it.
It's an enormous danger.
Lydia, I hope you understand this. So because of the major potential and very high volatility. Oh, there we go, Chica.
Yeah, good evening.
We can hear you now. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I'm fine.
How are you?
What about the house? I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
From Nigeria. Oh, right. Nice to have you here.
We were doing great. You know, the crypto ban thing is really affecting us here in this area.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Can you repeat, please?
I mean, the ban on cryptocurrency in our central bank is really affecting us here.
Oh, yeah, the stories in your central bank. I heard about this. So they're preventing the blockchain and crypto to enter traditional ecosystem. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So I heard. So what's the situation there? Can you give us some details? What I mean, obviously people don't like that, right?
The situation we are trading peer-to-peer trades like copying on with OKES, and that's a very wonderful experience. Anyway, I tried it for the first time. That was yesterday, and it was awesome.
Nice.
It was awesome. So what I'm trying to say is, how do I be able to locate an altcoin that has a very good potential in the future?
Which one? Which one? Can you share with us?
I was talking about bees.
Ah, yeah, I know it. Bees. You trade in bees?
I don't really know how to trade. Actually, I really want to learn, and that was the more reason I am on this platform.
Super. Nice of you that you came.
I would honestly need a mentor, somebody that can guide me or coach me to be able to trade on OKES. Really.
We have, I'm sure we have many possibilities here. You can contact me. You can contact me on my private message. Do you use Telegram?
Yeah, I have Telegram, but it's not active really now. Or I can download. I use WhatsApp.
I am on WhatsApp. I will put you my number in the chat. Yeah.
Okay. Are you on WhatsApp?
I am. Here's you know where is the chat?
I don't have your WhatsApp number.
It's I put my WhatsApp number in the Zoom chat. Can you see?
Okay, in the Zoom chat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Contact me and we will talk further on what are the possibilities there. Okay? Okay. So everybody, we need to finish today's meeting. But we have maybe some more questions. I wanted just to add. So first of all, dear Lydia, Chica, I will mute you because you have some noise in the background. Okay? Okay, so if you're buying at 32,000, why not short while it goes down? So you see, you are predicting that it goes down. Now, nobody knows how much it will go down, okay? So in one moment you can see that it's going down, but you don't know if it, I mean, any moment can stop and go up, and when it goes up, there is no limit, okay? It can go to 100,000, it can go to 1 million. So if you're shorting, then that means you have a contract with somebody that says, if you short for, I don't know, 5 times, that means if it goes up for 10%, you lose 50% of the amount. Okay, so 5 times more. And if it goes up 100%, which can happen in crypto, okay, theoretically, you are losing 500% of the value. Okay, this is the problem. And if it goes up 1,000%. Okay, so this is why Bertram is saying, if I understood you correctly, Bertram, that's why you don't short Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well, not because when it comes to trading and investing, it's all about taking risks, okay, assessing risk. It's not so much about guessing where it will go. It's more about preventing risk, right?
And in the times we're in at the moment, where one single tweet can make the market move like crazy. Yeah. One more news that BlackRock decided to put, I don't know, 50 billion into Bitcoin or something like that.
Yeah.
You don't see a shit. You have no chance to get out of it. You will lose everything. Yeah. And
Okay.
the danger is on the upside at the moment. So shortening, I cannot recommend for sure.
Okay, fair enough. I'll take your advice. I agree. One more question. Can you give me a good coin to buy that is less than $1?
Phantom.
Which one?
Phantom. FTM.
Kutum.
It's called Phantom.
Phantom.
FTM. Yeah.
Can you write it in the chat, please?
That was an
Phantom,
insider.
Phantom, FTM, Phantom. Okay, there we go. So we are here. Kelechi, there you go. This is one FTM coin for you. Check it out. I will check it out as well, and we'll do a report tomorrow on the coin.
Lydia is waving.
We have two.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I have
Lydia,
a question.
Hello.
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 Yeah, I didn't see your trade the other time. I missed out on it, but I have a question. You put it on 32, right? That if it gets to 32, you're gonna buy. Is that what you did?
The dot.
The dot trade?
Polka dot.
Is
Yeah.
it polka dot? I thought it was Bitcoin.
No, it was polka dot.
No.
Oh, I
It's
was like
polka dot.
32. We didn't even see 40 yet.
yeah. It's not so cheap nowadays. So okay, that was the a little misunderstanding. That's why I put 32,000.
Exactly. Okay.
We cleared that out. Lydia, thank you for dropping by. We have just okay. Chinenia is saying to me directly. There is a CBN ban. Okay, the additional information from Nigeria. And this is it. We're through. Robert put another coin. OGN. OGN is less than $1 and it's really good. I was trading it. It's good. It has a nice potential, really.
Okay.
But I will explain more about it on our next session. I wrote it down, and for today we need to close it. We are 10 minutes behind the front line already. So
okay, guys, it was a pleasure again.
Real pleasure chatting to everybody.
Hope to see you tomorrow.
Bertram, see you tomorrow.
Take care.
Haydi, ciao, bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.